This is the Anton Schneider Q65639 Quartz Cuckoo clock. Again, it's made by Anton Schneider of the Black Forest in Germany. It has animated dancers, water wheel, and woodchopper. On the left side of the clock, you'll find the controls, which are on and off switch for the music and cuckoo bird so you can sleep at night. It also has a photo cell on the front, just below the 6 o'clock hour, which will activate when it gets dark, and it will turn the clock off automatically at nighttime. Beautifully carved trees, ornaments, and this is the two-door style clock with the multiple colors or the white accents. And I'll go ahead and move this up so you can see what the action is in this clock. This clock plays 12 different melodies, and it also has a demo button on the left side of the clock which you can push to play the music and show off your new clock. This clock is available at cuckookingdom.com. Thank you.